Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to take out water dispenser from Xiaomi instant hot water dispenser. So as you guys see, already have it on my table, and all I'm gonna do, I'm going to press that little hand up, and then I'm going to slide it up. And if you want to refill your water, all you need to do, just take off the lid. I will show you in a second. There's that little hole. Just press it against and the lid should come off. Then you just need to fill it with water. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.